Hey, what's up? Welcome to Mark's Family Cooking. Today I am cooking a Spanish stew. You can use chicken for this, but I'm using Quorn pieces. It's dead simple, it's a family favourite. Let's get to it, let's get cooking. Into the pan of hot oil, add 1 large diced onion, 1 sliced pepper or capsicum, 2 crushed or grated garlic cloves, and then 2 teaspoons of sweet paprika. You now need to fry this for 5 to 8 minutes until your onions and your peppers are nicely softened. That's now been sweating down for around 6 minutes. It's got a beautiful, lovely red colour from the paprika. Time to add some more ingredients. You could use chicken for this, but I'm using Quorn pieces instead. So into my peppers and onion and paprika and garlic, I'm going to add a whole bag of Quorn pieces, and I'm also going to add 200 ml of dry sherry. I'm going to let that cook for around 2 minutes until that sherry starts to reduce. Now I'm going to add a tin of tomatoes and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Make sure you give everything a good stir, and then we're going to cook this down for another 2 minutes. I'm now going to add 250 ml of cold water to the pan. I'm going to pop a lid on, and I'm now going to put this into an oven. So into the oven the stew goes. I'm going to put this in for an hour with the lid on. After 1 hour, I'm then going to take the lid off and leave it going for another 15 minutes uncovered. Time to sit and enjoy a glass of wine. So it's had an hour in the oven. All I'm going to do is now, steam, remove the lid and let that reduce down for another 15 minutes without the lid in. I've got my stew out of the oven. It's had an hour and 15 minutes in the oven, 1 hour covered, 15 minutes uncovered. It's now time to finish it off. So I'm gonna add 165 grams of halved pitted green olives. Stir them through. I don't need to heat them up. The residual heat of this stew will warm them up nicely. You need to check the seasoning of this because you're going to have the salty olives. So you just want to check that if you need any more salt. And that is pretty much done. I'm going to cover it back up for 10 minutes while I get the rest of our dinner done. So I am serving this up with some roasted potatoes in herbs and garlic, some broccoli and some green beans. Just going to add a good couple of spoonfuls on the side. A little bit of extra sauce, drizzle it all over. There we go. So that is how you make Spanish stew with Quorn pieces. Lovely saltiness from the olives. Quorn pieces are nice and tender, and you've got that lovely taste from the sherry. Absolutely beautiful. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel if you're watching this and you haven't done so already. Check me out on the socials. I hope you enjoy cooking this as much as I have. It's absolutely lovely. See you again soon.